Guys, so we're ready to go drop off the kids at grandma's house. The kids are just gathering some things that they want to take in their backpacks. I am dressed all the way, even shoes. I'm gonna get a coffee, finish editing. I have to clean a little bit, check some emails and stuff. But Mavis got dressed all by herself. So adorable. Oh, you need a hand sanitizer? Yes. For your bag? Okay. All right, I'm gonna go turn on the car, okay? What? Okay, so I have to get gas, and then I'm going to get a coffee. I normally would just wait for Ramses to put gas in the car because I just hate putting gas in the car. It already said ding ding ding, you need to put gas, so here I am. Okay, gas is done. Put 60 bucks in, and it's at, oh, it was almost full, but I like to leave it at a whole number. I'm a load at last. Okay, all right, I'm gonna edit, post, and all that because today's video is not up yet. I got 2 days ahead so that I could be ahead, obviously. But yeah, I've been a little behind. Obviously, it's been a weird couple of days. It's been a weird week. There is also a new moon coming up on Tuesday, so I want to kind of make some notes and read my chart and do some of that too and start editing tomorrow's vlog. So anyway, I'm gonna edit first because it's quiet. I can get that done. I'm pretty quick at editing if I'm not interrupted and I can actually you know, make time to do it. I'm pretty quick. It's not really the editing, it's just finding the time to do it. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I'm gonna post up right here in bed and edit. If you don't have an extension cord by your bed for your things, and more specifically for your heating pad, maybe you're not there yet. Heating pad, coffee, we're good to go. And charger. This is my idea of a great time, fantastic time. And I put my phone like near, but not that close because then I'll scroll. So it's literally 3:30 and I've been here the whole day. I finished today's video, posted it, shared it, did all the things, edited yesterday's video for tomorrow, made the thumbnail, uploaded it. That's ready to go for tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that the rest of the day. And I've also started to plan what we're gonna do for my husband's birthday. And for those of you that don't know, my husband's birthday is on Christmas Day. He's a December 25th baby, okay? So and you know, that sucks. It's probably like the worst birthday you could have, to be honest, because you don't feel special. So if you're someone that has a birthday like around Christmas, you can probably relate to this, that, you know, you feel bad or you don't want to do something because it's close to Christmas and everyone's spending their money on Christmas and, you know, their time, they're going to Christmas parties and, you know, all these things. So my sister-in-law too, her birthday is December 17th. So that also adds to both of them having those feelings around their birthdays where, you know, they don't really get that specialness of their birthday, right? Because it's kind of overshadowed by Christmas and all the things. So I'm going to try a little harder now that, you know, we're kind of like at this place in our lives where we're not having kids, we don't have like the babies, I'm not pregnant, I'm not breastfeeding, I have the time. And he was dead set on having a party, but then the closer it got to it, he started up with his, well, you know, maybe not, maybe blah blah blah, and I try to encourage him to be like, it's okay, it's once a year, we can clean up, we can set up and clean up and set up and clean up for Christmas, it's okay. Like, but at the end of the day, he kind of just said, he was like, you know what, I don't want to have anything. He just gets in this headspace where he's just like, I don't want to do anything. We're gonna do something. I decided today, I reached out to our best friends and like my sister, and I reached out to his sisters. It looks like they're gonna be working, but my sister-in-law was like, it's okay. And I was like, you know what, I remember now that that was also a reason that he's like, oh no, and my sisters both work, and you know, they're not gonna be able to come, so you know, it's not gonna work out. So when I talked to my sister-in-law today, she's like, yeah, but you know what, it's okay. She's like, you should still, like, he should still celebrate his birthday even if we can't come, like, it's okay. So I am gonna tell him, and I'm gonna let him decide on what he wants to do. My stomach is starting to growl now. Literally have not eaten anything all day. I haven't taken my medication. I think I didn't take my medication yesterday either. And it's so funny, I'm like, I posted my video today, and then when I edited my video for tomorrow, I was like, I'm wearing the same hoodie both days. And if that doesn't say, like, I'm on my period, I don't know, like, what does. Yesterday, yeah, I didn't work out. I didn't take my supplements and my meds and stuff in the morning. It was just a really off day. I, like, hardly drank water. I was super thirsty all day. Like, I just ate all day. I ate those pancakes in the morning. I ate canes for lunch. We had pizza for dinner. I just, like, ate my feelings yesterday. But today, I was, like, I was not hungry. Even my mom offered me food before I left because she had made food for the kids, and I was like, no, I'm not hungry. I'm gonna get a coffee right now, whatever. And now I'm starting to feel hungry. So the kids should be home in a few hours. Literally the first time leaving my room all morning. Well, you know, since I got back from taking the kids. And everything's pretty clean. Pretty much how we left it. Weird. I'm gonna have a bagel.
Like, and I do. And it's like, therapist talks about, and this isn't what that is.
Okay, I'm up now, so there's no stopping me now. I'm gonna start cleaning. Open up the windows. Okay, let's start with laundry, and then I'm gonna clean my room. I also have to put away the dishes. And what are we gonna do for dinner? Again, it's dinner time again, guys. So this is the state of my room right now. My desk over here is always a freaking mess. Christmas gifts that we need to wrap, random things that the kids bring in here, some shelves that we need to put up, but I'm not gonna do that today. So yeah, let's clean it up. Okay, we're gonna go work out now. The room is done. This is just stuff I'm gonna use later. I'm gonna leave this here because obviously I'm gonna be editing for the rest of the month. But yeah, so all done. I'll go get my walk in. I haven't worked out or had a walk or anything in the past 2 days. So I really wanted to at least get a walk in and a stretch today. The kids are having a little bit of iPad time before we make dinner, so we're gonna use this time to work out. And then Ramses is gonna let the kids, and he's gonna get in with them into the jacuzzi. That's that loud ass noise, the pool pumps and stuff heating up the jacuzzi. So okay, I'm all done. Let's go make dinner. Okay, so Daddy had the good idea, since the hot tub was too hot, that we should go get in our PJs, get a hot chocolate, and go look at some Christmas lights. I'm just gonna put the clothes in the dryer before we go because I won't ever do it if I don't do it now. First house, the neighbor's house. So cute. They just finished it today. They were putting up the lights on the house.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It looks so good.
They say that every year it gets a little bit better.
Aww. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the candy cane freeze. Peppermint mocha with soft top and peppermint sprinkles. They have a candy cane cocoa. Peppermint, soft top, and peppermint sprinkles.
Oh, that sounds kind of good.
You should get that one, we can try it. You get that one.
Okay, I'll try it. Yeah, just get me a gigantic freaking snowflakes.
Yeah, they're like, we don't have the energy.
Aww.
The dog. Oh, I like that one right there.
Aww.
No. Those were red rocks, but it was just somebody's light.
Oh, that looks cool.
That one's so cute. It reminds me of like little icicles.
Okay, so it's time to shower. Everybody's in bed. It's 8:27. We made it through the week, and it was a nice little drive going and getting some hot chocolate at Dutch. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've made it a third of the way. Today is Vlogmas Day 10. So see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11.